So, hi, I'm a bottle and I come in very different shapes, different colors, different brands on me of different material. Like I come in plastic, I come in metal, steel. Nowadays, bamboo bottles are also there, uh, and also the Milky Valley bottles also there. So these are the types of bottles in the market, and there are different brands like Milton, Cello, every different brands. They are making their videos, making their bottles of different types. Now, talking about the uses of the bottle. So bottle can be used, like we can say that it is used as a storage unit. So we store different types of things in a bottle, like the cold drink we drink, the things we need we store in the bottles, and the liquids we store in the bottle. But in villages what happens is people store the cereals, the pulses in the bottles to keep them airtight. So, people do this, and also people do with the bottle in villages to keep the water cool during the summer times. They wrap the bottle with a jeans or a thick cloth so that the water, when they wet that cloth and then it get dried, so it makes the water cool. That's the great thing. It happens there. And then water can be also used. A bottle can be also used as a playing object. We can play the Philip bottle and then play with that bottle, and we can also use that. What we say. Circling the bottle and choose whichever person has the cap, they will do the dare that will be given. So the flip the bottle, the circling the bottle, these are the game we can play with a water bottle. And also water bottles are used as a weapon. We can use water bottles as a weapon because when we have water in it, so we can throw someone and we can hit someone with the bottle, and he will be get harmed by that thing. Okay. And we have usually see that we carry the steel bottles so that we keep ourselves safe. And also and the use of bottle is also it can be also used as funnel. We can cut the bottle from between, and it can be used as a funnel to pour the material from this object to that object. Now the bottle can be also used as a pen stand. If we cut the bottle into half, then it can be used as a pen stand. It can be also used as an something filling object and pouring somewhere else, like the material on the shops we have metal object that is used to transfer the objects. So this is the use of bottle. And bottles are also different types, like thermosteel bottle, the thermosteel bottles that are used to keep the things warm and cool for 24 hours and something like that. And but yeah, I'm very useful product, and this is the great thing that plastic is coming to the daily lives, but it is also harming us with the microplastic things. So we have to evolve with time, and we have to use steel bottles, copper bottles, the bamboo bottles, and also the mud bottles, so it will be healthy for us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.